how to use Power Automate to simplify MSP workflows. If your MSP is struggling to scale because your team is stuck performing the same repetitive onboarding tasks every day, you need a better solution. Let's dive into how to use Power Automate for MSP workflows to scale your operations efficiently. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Introduction to Power Automate for MSP workflows. Microsoft Power Automate is a cloud-based automation platform that allows IT professionals to integrate services and build workflows with minimal coding. MSPs increasingly use Power Automate to eliminate repetitive administrative work and standardize operational workflows. By creating trigger-based workflows, MSPs can automate onboarding, compliance checks, alerting, and ticketing tasks while reducing manual effort and minimizing operational errors. Core methods for deploying MSP automation. There are several ways to deploy automation depending on your environment, infrastructure, and operational needs. Cloud flows, GUI. Ideal for cloud-based workflows such as posting to Microsoft Teams when a new ticket is created. Power Automate Desktop uses robotic process automation, or RPA, to automate legacy applications and Windows-based tasks that lack API integrations. PowerShell with webhooks allows local scripts and monitoring tools to trigger cloud workflows through webhook-based automation. Operational best practices for MSP automation. To maintain a professional and secure automation environment, follow these essential operational guardrails. Error handling. Build error handling branches and fallback actions to account for network failures, expired credentials, and service interruptions. Security. Use dedicated service accounts instead of personal logins and rotate API keys regularly to protect client data. Scalability and licensing. Monitor API usage limits, licensing tiers, and flow execution volume to prevent throttling or failed automations. NinjaOne integration. Sync script results and alert triggers with NinjaOne for a single automated source of truth. The true power of Power Automate for MSP workflows isn't just in the scripts or the webhooks. It's in the mindset shift it brings to your organization. It encourages your team to look at every manual task as a candidate for innovation. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to use Power Automate to simplify MSP workflows, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.